Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to learn about a very beautiful poem that is Vocation. The poem Vocation is written by Rabindranath Tagore, in which a child speaks about his wishes and his aspirations. It shows the innocence of a child's mind, how he gets attracted to the ways of people around him. He is not aware of their tough routine. The child lacks worldly sense. So, student, let's see the first one stanza. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. So, student, let's see its explanation. The child was walking to his school in the morning. He saw a hawker selling bangles in his lane and he crying that bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying, bangles, crystal bangles. So, student, the hawker was not in a hurry and moved from one place to another at his own will. The hawker could take any road and return home when he wants. There was no restriction on him. The child wanted to be a hawker in order to be free and happy. And also, he wants to cry like bangles, crystal bangles. Let's see the second one stanza. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So, students, see, the child returned from his school in the afternoon and he saw a gardener outside the house. He was digging the ground with his spade. His clothes were dirty with soil and he was working under the sun. Nobody tried to stop him and he continued working at his own will. The child wanted to be like him so that nobody can punish him for digging the ground, and also he wanted to pay with soil. Let's see this third one stanza. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother paints me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. So, student, let's see its explanation. When it gets dark in the evening, the child's mother sends him to bed. They order him to sleep, and she gave the order him to sleep. The child saw a watchman through his window, and he was walking up and down. The road was dark and lonely, but nobody stopped the watchman. And the watchman took his lantern and walked along with his shadow. So he did not sleep. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So the students, the child wanted to be a watchman. For what? He wants to walk the street all night without any restriction. So, student, in this way, today we have learned very beautiful poem that is Vocation, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you all understood. Thank you.